Guys, this is your new outdoor indoor space. It's not raining, it's warm, it's cool. Okay? You take care of your girl, Dottie. She's having a nice chew. And Mama can have a nice chew. Here you go, Mama. You have a nice chew too. Okay? Everybody having a relax. Just have your bone, you chill out. It's actually really nice now that it stopped raining. Let's go get the kitty cats. Meow. Yeah, you're gonna stay here, okay? Take care of the girls. Take care of the girls. I'm just tired of getting all the